Hey Velder, today I'll show how to play Steam games on iPhone and Android. For this, go to the App Store or Play Store. Here we need Steam Link. Open it, hit Get Started. You'll see all nearby PCs on your local network. Alright, let's pick a computer. Let's use this one. Enter these numbers on your PC. Now it's running a speed test. Click OK. Hit play. Steam launches in big picture mode. There. Now you can start playing any game you want. That's it. This was Velder. Like and subscribe to the channel. See you all later.